How to use Google Gemini to summarize a video. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, copy the link of your video, any video that you want to get the summary of. For example, I will copy a YouTube video. Let me just quickly copy the link, and after that open your Gemini. To like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.